also 2022 is also 7-bit character, so this works as well. And what you can do on this is an example what happens on 2002. You can spoofing your eyes, and this is one reason why also Firefox patched, I guess, their patched a vulnerability against it, and was released today. White space and line feed characters. So if you're reading the specification in HTML4, then you find out on the section about white space characters that the browser should deal with these kind of characters. Space, tab, form feed, things that you should usually don't know, zero width space, and also line feed and carriage return that somebody knows. So what you can do on that is maybe to serve to file format.info, and then you can put in a character, and this very cool website is then giving you another pieces of valid characters that are listed and categorized in the Unicode consortium. So as you can see, then we have in complete 19 white space characters there. 19, not only one. So what we can do this is then to pass it to our cross-site scripting filter and to see what happens, or better to the browser, if the browser is treated these characters as a white space. And this is was done or did also Chris Webber, and I think was 1 or 2 weeks before he posted his result of full disclosure. And the subject was attack of the Mongolian space invaders and other medieval cross-site scripting vectors. And he just found out that these kind of white space characters passes the Opera engine, and the Opera just treat it as a normal character and usually shallowed it, and as a result, cross-site scripting was possible. And we have some other possibilities on that. I like this nice character here. We have also the zero with no break space as well. And this byte order mark was also an issue in Firefox, and with a new version, it was fixed right now. But the most interesting part of it is that on 2006, this issue was also discovered by a Japanese guy. I forgot his name, sorry about that. And then they fixed it on the branch, on the 1.5.0.4, I guess. And it was introduced now with the new Firefox version 3. I don't know why. So third party, we talked about white spaces and line feeds, but now also well-known character is treated as white space on the browser engine. I have here an example of that, which was I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks, 3 weeks was released in cooperation with the OSERT team. We published this advisory. So the forward slash here is treated by Firefox and Internet Explorer as a white space. So what you can do is just to put your or you can bypass the filter, because the Horde framework uses a cross-site scripting filter on that, and for this reason it was possible to execute JavaScript And this is really, really bad, because if somebody sends you an example, a file which contains HTML or whatever, you open it, then you're controlling the complete application, you can send emails and so on. And there was another issue on that. They just forgot to encode the file names of the MIME type attachments as well. So even better, if you just click one message, then you get owned quite easy. So the next point is HTML parsing bugs. If you have this input here, which is definitely well informed, what do you think what should the browser not do? It should not append the missing script tag here. But unfortunately, Firefox did it in the past. So